fake candy rabbits. Like my usual crafts, they're quick, they're easy, and maybe they're items you already have around your house. You'll need some styrofoam. You'll need some acrylic paint, some school glue, and some bamboo skewers. But without further ado, I'm going to jump right into it. Okay, so I have my foam, and this is what I got from, you guessed it, the $1.25 tree. And this is the spackling that I happen to have. Any cookie cutters you have, but I say the simpler the design, the better, because you have to cut it out. So I'm going to do the bunny. You can also use this when we get finished, and if you do it and you like the project, you might want to do some for Christmas, for Valentine's, for Halloween. So for me today, I'm going to do the Easter bunny. You're going to spackle it, and it's also going to be painted. So don't worry about boo-boos. You know, I'm all about quick and easy. So not trying for perfection. Take your knife, cut out your design, and again, even those little boo-boos like that, a dot of glue will hold it right back. No big deal. Okay, guys. This one came out pretty decent. Just so you know, you don't have to just use a cookie cutter. You could use, say you want to make a bell. Just go online and say simple bell or bell template and print one out and trace around it. So I'm just going to use my spackling to fix my little boo-boo. I'm going to do the top and the sides and let it dry. After that dries, I'm going to flip it over and do the back. Here's where we're at right now. I'll be back after it dries a little bit. So here is my bunny. Actually, I think he looks cute. He looks like a little Debbie zebra cake. Here's where I fixed his ear, but we're fixing to sand that. I just glued it on. I put my spackling on. I took a bowl of water and I just wet my finger and rubbed it and made it smooth. But we still want to, I've got fine grit sandpaper, and we still want to give it a little sanding, for one, so that the paint will stick on, and for another to fix little boo-boos like this and here. But also, some of that's really not going to matter. I mean, just imagine that this is his color already. It's only a couple little bumps here and there that you've got to fix. So I'm going to give him a light sanding, but I want to sand him all over to help the paint to grab. And remember, I'm not into perfection. If you are, you might want to take your time a little more when you're cutting it out, so you don't have to do too much sanding. But you also can fix some of the boo-boos with your spackling. You can just keep coming back and putting another coat and another coat until you get it nice and smooth. Also, I put him on this bamboo skewer. Just stabbed it in the bottom. If you're going to use it like for a basket decoration, or you want to make a whole plate full of fake chocolate, then of course you wouldn't need that. But it's also good to help it. Stick that on there, stand it up to dry. Then you can come back and fill in that hole. Okay, I think he's good enough. Got to get the dust off so that it won't get into the paint. And he's pretty sturdy. That spackling really sturdies it up. And I did let mine sit overnight, even though it didn't need to. It said it didn't have to. I think it said 45 minutes or something. Just put a glob of school glue. And then whatever kind of acrylic paint you have, if you've got the little squeeze tubes, which I have, but I was trying to use up this old paint that's kind of gotten old and globby. So I just want to get rid of it. So just eyeball it when you think it looks chocolatey enough, if you want it really dark, or if you want it like a milk chocolate, put more glue. To me, it looks good enough. And if you put it on really thick, it also helps fill in any little, like, see, I have a little divot right there. So I've got this styrofoam. I'm just gonna dab him in there. We'll let him sit and dry. I didn't let him dry because I was trying to get this video loaded, but you could let it dry completely and then coat it with the triple clear varnish that I always like to use, because that also will help fill in the little nooks and crannies, make it smoother. I put 2 googly eyes and a little bow on mine, but you could also put a little nose and some whiskers. I think that would make it super cute. So that's what we got for you today. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.